Diamondback, we're always keeping our fingers on the pulse and the latest of drinkware, coolers, home goods, and gear. So let's go check out some of the coolest products we have on the floor right now. This is one of the YETI 8-ounce stackable cups. This is great for when you want a caffeinated beverage, especially if you go camping, or if you just want to have your espresso stay hot for hours and hours, thanks to the double wall insulation that it is famous for. Of course, these are stackable, so you can grab a stack of 4, which is perfect to take on trips with you, all that good stuff, and you can have all kinds of different cortados, Americanos, espressos, all that good stuff. So this is one of our cooler, more unique products that we currently offer at Diamondback. Another really cool product we have on the floor right now is the RTIC Journey bottle. So some cool features about this product is that the double wall insulation is UV protected. The ceramic interior allows for true taste. So when you switch from water, tea, coffee, or your power drinks, the flavor won't transfer. Also, there's this recessed handle right here made of stainless steel. It has a really comfortable hold. It's very sleek, and it tucks back in when you're ready. And then the straw lid is 100% leak-proof when it's closed. So this is one of our cooler water bottles that we have on the floor right now. The last unique product that I want to show to you today is the YETI Hopper M12 backpack cooler. So this is a really do-it-all backpack cooler you can take with you anywhere, whether it's to a picnic, an intense hiking trip, all weekend, camping excursion, whatever you name it, this backpack can do it. So it is constructed with high density fabric, which is puncture and UV resistant, so super durable. It also comes with a grid loop system on the front, the back, on the backpack straps, and on the side. So you can really hook on a ton of gear onto this, whether it be extra, pocket knives, bottle openers, anything that you need while you're out camping. This backpack is also built with a very powerful magnetic closure. So when you pop it open to grab snacks and drinks, it'll stay open, but when you're ready to close it up, it just takes a gentle push to close. The backpack also comes with a deep front pocket, so you can store your personal belongings, like your keys, wallet, phone, stuff like that. So while you're going on a hike, fishing, or camping, it's an easy grab in there, but it's deep enough that it's not going to pop out of nowhere. Each of the YETI Hopper backpacks are built with closed cell foam insulation, so it'll keep your drinks and snacks cold for hours, and a welded liner. So what that does is it completely creates a leak-proof shield, so none of your water leaks out or melted ice or anything like that. The last feature of this cooler backpack is the straps themselves. They're very comfortable, they're sturdy, they're padded, and can be adjusted. This is one of the most feature-packed backpack coolers that we currently carry at Diamondback Branding, and is one of the more unique backpack coolers that we have on the floor. Check out these products and more at diamondbackbranding.com.